All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to take my intake manifold off my Integra here and put some ITBs on it. I'm using the intake for my Turbo Civic build that we're doing. Might as well kill two birds with one stone. Yeah, so this is my right-hand drive case-swapped Integra. I know some of you guys know about it. I don't really drive it terribly often, but here she is. And I've always wanted ITBs for it. And like I said, the intake manifold I need is the same one that's on here. So I figured, why not kill two birds with one stone? Yeah, anyway, so with the ITBs, the car's not going to run right away because I need to get a different throttle position sensor because this one's going to stay with this car or this intake. And I need to upgrade the kpro. I have version 2 and I need version 4. The reason is because of TPS-based fuel maps instead of map sensor. Anybody that's run ITBs kind of knows that they have a really poor vacuum source, so this way it'll make tuning a lot easier. But figure get this one off and get that one put on. All right, so there, it's out of there. You know, it wasn't too bad to do. Fuel injectors go because they go under the intake, so I'll have to unbolt that. I'll have to figure something out with the PCV and whatnot, but like I said, I'm just gonna kind of bolt it up there and see how it looks and deal with putting the rest of it away later. But yeah, here's the intake manifold that came off. RBC, great intake, everything, so I figured why not put it on the other car. Look. Yeah, look at that. Hoo-wee. Wish that fuel rail wasn't blue, but kind of goes with the rest of the engine. I got to repaint the valve cover. It doesn't quite match the car, which I knew it wasn't going to, but that's another story. But yeah, there she is. Gosh. I got to pull the injectors off of this fuel rail right away because they're going to go on here. And yeah, that'll be ready for the Turbo Civic build coming up. That is the next on the docket, is doing the Turbo Civic, but I got to get Derek's WRX out of my shop. So that's going to be a couple videos here and there. And then, yeah, get the Civic in and go from there. But, yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Otherwise, if I take them off at the shop, who knows if they'll just end up going missing one day accidentally. So better safe than sorry, I'll just do it now. But, yeah, like I said, I've always wanted the ITBs. And to buy this intake manifold, a new throttle body, new fuel rail and everything for the Civic, it would have been like $600 or $700. Well, the ITBs that I bought are the OBX, which aren't really the greatest, but I mean, it's ITBs, how wrong can you get them? Those are like $700. So I figured, you know, kill two birds with one stone. Why not get something I've always wanted for the car and have something that I want for the Civic? Oh, jeez. This has been in here since like 2010. There we go. Wow, that's funny. I don't know if you can see it, but the Vaseline is still on these from when I installed them way back in the day. I think from when I built the car till today, I think I've maybe put total, I'd be willing to bet at most is probably 5,000 miles. There was one summer I put like 3,000 miles on it, and then every summer after that, it's somewhere between like 10 and 100. I just got too much other stuff going on that it's hard to really justify taking it out, but perfect. Yeah, all done.